Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Nulaxy audio receiver. What this device does is it allows you to take a device that doesn't have Bluetooth and it allows it to receive Bluetooth audio from something like a smartphone or a laptop or anything that has Bluetooth audio on it. So say you have a car with a stereo that has a 3.5mm line in port but it doesn't have Bluetooth. You can plug this into it and it will act as a receiver, so you can send a signal from your phone to whatever you plug this into and receive audio. The cool thing about this is this piece is also removable, so you just have a standard 3.5mm headphone jack right there. So say you have a pair of headphones that don't have Bluetooth on them and your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you can connect this via Bluetooth to your phone or your laptop and plug in your headphones to this and have a pair of wireless headphones. They're obviously still going to have the wire on the headphones that plug into here, but your headphones will wirelessly connect to your other device. And then, like I said, you can plug this in right here and plug it into your car or something like that that you need to add Bluetooth capability to, as long as it has a line-in jack. The way this works is all you do is you flip it on the top here, and you'll see the light here. It turns green, and then it will flash green and blue, letting you know it's in pairing mode. I already have it connected to my device, so it's just going to flash blue. You have volume on the side right here, which will control the volume on this or your Bluetooth device, just depending on what kind of device you're using it with. And then you have a button right here that will play and pause your music. It will also activate Siri on iOS devices and stuff like that, and allow you to answer and calls if your device supports that. So overall, it works really well. I haven't had any issues with it. The sound is clear. It doesn't. There's no staticky interference or anything like that. It doesn't feel like it has a weak signal. Battery life is great on it. I've used it for a couple hours and I haven't charged it yet. It just charges via micro USB, and they do include all those kind of cables and everything in the box here. So you get a micro USB cable, you get the 3.5 to 3.5, and you also get a 3.5 to 3.5 cable if you need that as well. This has been Colin with Techout. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to this on Amazon if you guys want to check it out and pick one up. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.